I'm going to play this audio right now. When we are done, we come back to the man of God. You know, I find it difficult when I want to relate with you. So we'll come back to what you were saying about. But this was somebody that called Papa within this week. But na di pano esane prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah voice note edi na tem na atebidi na bi ka me so papa e bi kura ka honorable Kennedy Japan about yenti audio ni mbra e wo ma e be ka te akwa another one yem playing now quickly then we'll come back. Let's go and listen mbra.
Yeah, because I'm paying. I feel make sure my phones because all this unnecessary chaos going on up in the United States. Now me need time. I may reply when time I offer you know. Nyame nipa kora well who sa time ne say about 3 a.m. Mother. Yep. One and na me de ma no. Di agro e wo Bedu Kobi. Eni obo otu ho. Mesi medu atama ada na wo betra life no nkrofo bi no man ka nkyere wana. Mesi medu atama na wo kra de wo hu nyema hisa sa na banchi wo so ho ahwan no. Eni sa guy bi no a wo mo share colors te se wo no. Enoye no. Nya time na fra me mama exact time. Me fra wo. O me di bibia wo pe bia be ma. Kwasi a wo se obi akuniba. Unku wo di o oba so ege. Ye bo ne to oba ne to ani ye bo kwase asofo a wadi twamiensa agai wo ye nipa na me se djuma me de be di wo no afa na me try about life me try nipa bi to me for me se me ma na de na so wo yes a prophet en kwase show na o ma callers and frema so o me en free direct o me en free WhatsApp adan na o me enfre asia bi batesa wo wa yusu wo wonim de wo ya wo abof na obi akuniba ana obi ade aduro na wo nje de enya maami ensa no maami ensa na adi wo mutwe no a wogya wo mu ana wasori kra wontimi mpenti ye no wasori wontimi mpenti wo ka obi de ese nipa sen wo me ma wasori da maba wasori hopen enipa dodo sen na wo enye Abraham kwa na no be ye debate ka nipa dodo sen kwa na esi wo sorry there. Yeah, because I'm paying. I feel make sure my phones because all this unnecessary chaos going on up in the United States. Now me need time. I may reply when time I offer you know. Nyame nipa kora well who sa time ne say about 3 a.m. Mother. Yep. One and na me de ma wo no. Di agro e wo Bedu Kobi. Eni obo otu ho. Mesi medu atama ada na wo betra life no nkrofo bi no man ka nkyere wana. Mesi medu atama na wo kra de wo hu nyema hisa sa na banchi wo so ho ahwan no. Eni sa guy bi no a wo mo share colors te se wo no. Enoye no. Nya time na fra me. Yana mo kwase apobo amabo wo Owusu Bempah. Why ejuma pen? Wusi wiase a wo se na wo te asafo a wo bodin wo tra bantama Samson na tete kwase a wo ya adwuma pen adwuma a e friend adwuma a friend say su shan kra wo ya bi pen kwase ko busa nipa mo e wo soa me busa soa me gurus we kra de ni kwa kra asa meka ye kan nipa o ma ya adwuma wo kuma sa bonten so wo adwuma kra wo ya bi pen no aba be jino aba ka fon ache Bedu Kobi abeka fon ache obofo aboa na America no sofo a wadi twamiensa agai wo se twa na ni anyinya ni nyina me de ba some information no me de ama your friend is saying Kevin Taylor on ni nyina ba fa be wo so aboa bi ti so enisa me say obia ho nyama hi ese sa akwa bi ese on so a journalist or di wachi on kra de so on na board amansa no wo wuti on de na sam nyama se na sa eduba nche no me se ba bia me hia no bia mebo na kunu I swear God be bia me hia no bia na saa aka kyerɛ saa kwasea mpanyin ka no agye Japan ɛsɛ meme se saa kwasea bi no wasa yeah ɔmo mie phone line into nipa bebree pɛ sɛ ɔmo kasa typing is the beautiful thing I want to do in life, but that's not what I want. I want to speak so you can hear my motherfucking voice. Yeah. Catch us up was Canada, Japan, and it wasn't. It's when the time is. This is the hour of. Because journalism or kick sound and more some. Why? And one who say, oh, journalism. Or ye be or a journalist or better home, a kika sano man. Make who ye could be a can weather phone and could be a becasa. As at this time, approximately whatsoever it is. Job bitch ass motherfuckers. Na saa aka kyerɛ saa kwasea mpanyin ka no agye Japan ɛsɛ meme se saa kwasea bi no wasa yeah ɔmo mie phone line into nipa bebree pɛ sɛ ɔmo kasa typing is the beautiful thing I want to do in life, but that's not what I want. I want to speak so you can hear my motherfucking voice. Yeah. Catch us up was Canada, Japan, and it wasn't. It's when the time is. This is the hour of. Because journalism or kick sound and more some. Why? And one who say, oh, journalism. Or ye be or a journalist or better home, a kika sano man. Make who ye could be a can weather phone and could be a becasa. As at this time, approximately whatsoever it is. Job bitch ass motherfuckers. Na saa aka kyerɛ saa kwasea mpanyin ka no agye Japan ɛsɛ meme se saa kwasea bi no wasa yeah ɔmo mie phone line into nipa bebree pɛ sɛ ɔmo kasa typing is the beautiful thing I want to do in life, but that's not what I want. I want to speak so you can hear my motherfucking voice. Yeah. Catch us up was Canada, Japan, and it wasn't. It's when the time is. This is the hour of. Because journalism or kick sound and more some. Why?
Okay. But also be actually say or say edu banche, edu body, enye banche, body mum. You be for ready. So that was a man speaking now powerfully. Me buy na papa ball voice note in the chairman, and I mean say minimum. I think it's called Michael also. My main child be picture before we react to it. Now we want to know why Prophet Owusu Bempah a person maybe we are sitting there who say Prophet man Bedu Kobi and repent. You heard him categorically when he said there or no never papa Bedu Kobi. Now remember papa finance and kobotos, which is true. Last year, time I started to see a different papa. This gentleman sent him a message on my Facebook inbox. Coincidentally, before God and man, me block you. I know the atom, I know she will be coming or be bomituo or America or back Ghana. A deep papa term rough, but as usual, as people are commenting, say he sounds like somebody who is drunk and all. Menfino. On his profile picture, he had two kids, Obabako, Bema Bako, a very tall guy, and also round cap, dark in complexion. I think so the first name, hey Michael. I'll look through my block list people, and I think I'll find his name in his picture. Now, Odi Matamu Menfino, no, or Mamiti as say, Satan and appear biblical issue aba, ani ako run who baby, ami abono. Or Mamiti as say, the spiritual father, God is my witness, me control. Any prophet Emmanuel Bedu Kobi. Now, or worry appear biblical, a sister. Enti na asem na abana omo kan wasem no ye nyi ehun film na meme ye nka bi because sebe ye jimifo enti nipa o ka say no say ye bra appear biblical indeed so I repent here or turn the voice na pe asem o ka che me say o ware ono ne sister na then it means say or ye appear biblical akonta he can attest to it because me t voice na me hu here and per the messages he sent na me buy no mo de che me no papa nua so na kwesi ka say o ampa wa chokwa wa say what on this of bed ye din komoda ama obedu Ghana krano. He called, I believe it was a setup. I said that pamicho. I catch him say me pa me in Sia our airport so we can thrash issues out. But for whatever reason, I told him say I was not interested. He called me couple of times, which I never picked. But this audio, and many other audios, I would deep apart them, would di me atem, would di a program atem, the honorable Kennedy upon atem no, came just this week. Which means say, oh my bomb pass on made so post by them. Now almost saying and church articles in front of warrior. You heard him clearly say, or see or the clerk of Mark Kelvin Taylor. So you can see what the plot is. Papa Mekao. On say, can old John and himself so by life. On to me my life. Kweku sket be somewhere brochire. All because it is a network of some people who free say, Papa and Sam come and favor. And because of their own political affiliations, they want to destroy this man. And Papa no I know him. I've spoken to him severally. I know how he looks like, but unfortunately, I don't have his picture now. And he knows the prophet Emmanuel Bedu could be 8 years. When the man say yes, you descending on these people they will say, sir, we are disrespectful. But then sir, Sana Tiwa wa brochire, ye to asase man no, e man ni so for Owusu Bempah temwa, the very day gay saga ne baye, appear di pie. The next person on interview appear was ye maame na ye friend Tiwa no. Then the next was Prophet McAban. Oh, the network was built just to discredit Prophet Owusu Bempah. And thank God that some of us were in the scene. Let me share unpredictable among those days. Mami ngege money ade. The car was a software na command bloggers bribe. Obi egum obi no adono no defending no. And your man bribe. Now blogger no ba Facebook now abeso asem wanya no krem. Now all too many part of ni the end obi man bribe. And we also when even Prophet Emmanuel Bedu Kobi went to the US of A. Only obi to say ti what na ne dem your Facebook live together. Somebody that they insult your father 24/7. Father's issue, but it is disheartening. So papa. Now blogger or didn't attempt 24/7. Say a live boom. We saw it. Amra a fierce was nigga this tone and nasi. No casamina must stop on it. Kadiamema naka or Ghana no and Kadiasemeba. Who hasn't Prophet Emmanuel Bedu could be rubbish? I preku my daughter. Now show them no dish of Owusu Bempah no man the microphone. I don't want to be playing some videos. But we also have a father. And will not allow somebody to destroy the source of our anointing. We will never do it. Dubai airport. He said all those things. But send Papa a prophet Emmanuel Bedu Kobi. Papa Minyanka, Papa reacted to Saichi, but quickly. Mr. Dobingo so.
Okay. Osofo. Voice audios na dosu.
Okay.
Metima ka say e bro be 15 kra.
All right.
Ni nyina ya tem didie.
Bache.
Abranti etime frame anaju 2 o'clock. O frame ya memfa. Obon se wa send voice audio. Metie na ya tem didie nko a. Na otimi ka say ne spiritual father ne Bedu Kobi. Into your person come at me say obedi matem sa.
Okay.
Na ono ba Ghana ha no ma me nyanim free Ghana ha. Utim so kasapa te so bia or power pa. Na osofo ene se me ka Bedu Kobi asem a anan krofo bi feel se me pentokwa. We me timba bi o. Me ka Bedu Kobi. Boy was starting di mathematics. We di mathematics papa. Eso ya me fi no. O di matem so a. Was one there or fight ma Emmanuel Bedu Kobi. Even time kra na me ni Bedu Kobi issue no ba ya. Bedu Kobi man krofo bi ka me ho sema pia be ka se me ye gay ni hwan ni nyina kra man fi no. Na boy we was send me audios no di matem. Oh sa de no.
Bache.
Na osofo oka software preko asemi. Men kai apreko busuafo ya o. Bedu Kobi ma apreko di matem e ma me rehu the whole day. Me o hana minya call me peke ye. Ana so Owusu Bempah ni. Na me simple acho an. E no se osofo apreko ne kasa na me say apreko nchen wa sori no. Papa And I'm saying when I say no so apreku na ka say apreku my daughter. And I'm saying so for it so fan kwasa sem free oko. Wo ye jimi fo papa wo ye kwase mpani pa. Na me betua akwani di matem. Odi matem ma bi kan me maami amitumi nyusu west no ewo aha. Apreku. Odi matem nyina achi no. The shock me kra ne say one day you were sorry. And I'm telling you apreku aba ho. I'm telling you. Na apreku aba ho da. Odi matem wie ye unse me kan sanse mo ntrem. Apreku ba ho. Na apreku ba ye na e shock me say nipa wadi matem sa pa atimi asa aba me ho. Na oba woni the reason why anti oba ho. Oso yare serious. Na ma man is come na nko hospital a. I'm here metinu ogu. Me hena nim man kasa ma musa matem didie na sem because me he condition na wo mu a na me ase me ra ko ama no papa na me man 20 million
2000
ai me man 20 million say onye na onfa nko hospital na me kasa so tama no ni matem kra no aba asori ama de me ye man no mintumi nka ana me pese be say aso ya ade ama obi na wo ka ba asem we senti na me de we ya bam efiri okọ na apreku ndi matem bi na de me ya ne se ebia nkrofo ntem ase se na de ntina Owusu Bempah me se eniema Bedu Kobi dia ye me no sofo se me ka se me ka ebe nkrofo won se boy na kasa no de me marriage issue abem se me ka kire mo se Bedu Kobi ama nkrofo bi sika se omu meka ma ware asem because me Owusu Bempah unya bibia amfa entag me age aware entu ka se nan say program bi me explaining the reason why me marriage issue no bi ntim ase say adenti na Owusu Bempah de na ware asem o ma plan e de ma akwa bi o Canada na ebesi obi so wo US anko mu de ba asa Kevin Taylor ye oboni din na nka bi kura ebe kɔ no ho o mu be kantro de atome so afa ware sem ho o sa de no na papa me pasa me kama Ghana fo nyina te say hwe me ka asem we na fe me fo manu si na ye ma Mr. Dobingo osofo me pam so mu nyina mu ntie osofo Bedu Kobi wife maame etimi come me maame pani ho those days na Bedu Kobi ya me ba no kacha me maame pani say one me nkasa na me de Bedu Kobi ewura eniema bim na Bedu Kobi eyere aye ono maame ne ba no aka kire maame ne se Bedu Kobi fa me spiritual father no Bedu Kobi asesa na Bedu Kobi ye eniema bi a ono as a wife no onte ase enti no eye me na me de Bedu Kobi wura sa eniema no minim de Bedu Kobi yire hu ye o Bedu Kobi ho aye ne se me na me de Bedu Kobi wuram de hye me kra ne se me na me de Bedu Kobi ewura okoto mu enti den na ne yiri hu ya o kan se me de Bedu Kobi wura okoto mu ma Bedu Kobi eyire ma me ko me maame pani ho eko kan sem kire no maame pani fra me kan asase mu nyina kire me enu nti no na obia feel say including Bedu Kobi yire family Bedu Kobi yire enuanom na bimpo ni me pa tamana ye wokumase afa na eduta mi kra na omu mpamidin kra ate san se Bedu Kobi yire ma obi ehu se me na de Bedu Kobi wura sa ne ma no papa enu nti se mama bonti me ka se Bedu Kobi nya me babiem se de bia me ka no na Bedu Kobi de ne hu wura ne ma bim na me kasa chenso onyae ba onfi me nti fi ne kro nya me babiem a na kasa gini we hye mu nyina tirim se me na de me yakra ne se me tu mire kiresi Bedu Kobi bedda me amebubudin sa na mete Bedu Kobi emma ne bi se Bedu Kobi no mu din komo no peso do mu wura bibi sa mu a papa Bempah mpo na kire me sa ne man papa Bempah mpo na kire me sa ne man se Bedu Kobi aya ma Bedu Kobi asofo bi o me ne nam ne ma sofo bi bimpo wo South Africa bimpo nkronkro bi so ebi wo Nigeria e feel say da breme na me kire Bedu Kobi sa spiritual rituals no o fi se me a eso to be frank with you Bedu Kobi be fa me ye agya me ne Bedu Kobi anye anything I spiritual thing because me no apart from prayer and my Bible me nim hwe de me nim ani Yesu Kristo oh
yes sir
enu nti no ba ma ba bontin nsema me kan papa enkrofo se Bedu Kobi ye fake de ani so Owusu Bempah so ye fake because na Bedu Kobi ne spiritual father no Owusu Bempah ba me magana fo nyina te se de na Bedu Kobi ye no me kasa tre so many times say saa de no on film saa de no nyaye me kan Bedu Kobi wan fi me till say men kai ne yaw ene ne family yaw ne ba no issue ne ba ye no papa ansa na mde manu besi wa ha no se menu mienu wura fie bi obi an fa kwa dwendwenem na obi ahu se me ne sofo bechi ene wura fie ho ena menu wura fie na ekoto se gold e de fie ho nyame nipa ena sofo bechi wo ye so fa gold na mka se sofo memfa gold no mitufu saa se memfa gold no wan fi mi na afa gold ye pieye ena edan ni wura no a gold nya ne dia ne ba mu no hu se ni gold ayira obi aso hu se menu mienu na wura edan no ena omo ka chia papa ne se eye sofo Owusu Bempah ne sofo bechi ne wura ofie ho call dan no ena ye de ye kwa ahemfie se ye nkotwa yeti now osofo
papa
o expect me se menyina hodin ye nkotwa metin fra wo suti abra me o fa gold no metufu se memfa no wan tie na afa aye dabi e wasa me voice na out o ahemfie ho se ana wo court ho no se eye bechi ana sofo bechi ne fa gold no no wo fa kra mimi tu no fuka chensem wo mfa me kan wan fi mi no fa aye ana gold no so minu mienu no se de tibia ba ko no fa aye ntimi nkama no ntum emie nkotwa meti awo se me kan okre a eno ntia se metan me kan okre no ntia se mayiwa ma because man kan okre so a ye be kume ani ye be jeli me na hwa na be hwe me ma sofo eya kasa babuo na me kan eno nti no me ni Bedu Kobi issue no me man nkrofo hunu se enya me na me kire Bedu Kobi san abosom sem no because me no nyame frɛ me mani fredi me nko obosom so da
right
ena me no me nya obi a me azan sofo ena sa adwuma hihye ya o mo hihye ho adwuma hihye yi kofa nkrofo firi ofen so eni nkronkro bi so ena o mo hihye adwuma hyeda hye o mo nkom ema ebidum bedi adanse eni nsɛmsɛm bi mi Owusu Bempah me nya saa ne ma no anya se me defend me ho but obi a o ne me nam ma sofo eni obi oba mi bi eni so Owusu Bempah me nya that type enu nti no sofo media me magana fo nyina hunu se Bedu Kobi a yede na tag me no ana me ya so honorable bonso obi a send you message say Bedu Kobi nye na said the honorable Ken Japan why expose Bedu Kobi no obi ni ene ye said abre papa Bempah na wo so enu nti ena se wo hwa omu ye honorable Ken Japan interview kra na ebusa se no Owusu Bempah so na me no anka enya me fe se meka Bedu Kobi nsem sansem ni Bedu Kobi asem abakam but adenti ena asem atwam dadaada enne nyina Bedu Kobi mankrofo frɛ me di matem e mankrofo send me audio no mu di matem ade atwam a me moso still Bedu Kobi mankrofo di matem wow enu ntum se last me ka se ba me che the reason why ntia da bia me de ya ode betra na me keka ensema me keka but Bedu Kobi ka will never do that but Bedu Kobi enyai said your man ko di matem no Bedu Kobi nyai sa me ho plans or plan no onya sa de no because we nyai so de a ene e bia me no me ni watem anase me no me ma obi medidi wu Bedu Kobi atem but me man ko fu ehunu sunsun ati mu na the reason why me yes na me yes ma mo amudi Bedu Kobi achi ene mo a mu firi so Owusu Bempah na kire Bedu Kobi sa akwan no so no mahu se me minim ho hwe eti ma mo fa me din emfra Bedu Kobi din osofo for the meantime me manu be siwa ha now there
prepare video na emame de na ochana na show them we na ya papa ma no soldiers ya tia na ebu afu no de na oka so ku bi no Papa kasa ho say eya ne yempese be ka bi. But enkwara na omudi echi no. E say camp obi ani ho. Obi ani ho. Mo plan na mo bekuyan omudi papa echi ye beba obi tuo na nnuro so ne dinna enya adwuma. Ontumi ne kora nko eni nkonim. Honest, yenhwe video ye wi a Mr. Domingo, I want you to watch this video. Well, you can explain this to us very well. Then we'll come back to you, sir. But try video and rest here.
But you know what I'm going to do. Somebody will get up in the morning, we're standing there. No, you watch me.
What do you say?
One day, Pastor Kennedy, you, me,
Kennedy,
and a certain man of God were on the line. If you remember, not long ago, he said, you, Owusu Kobi, you remember a guy around you who was talking. You remember you told me you removed him. You remember? Did you not hear it? And I removed him. He was talking too much. And I went to my God. I said, God, this guy is too loud. Just show him where cemetery is.
And
I gave him 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Afternoon. Mortuary. If I say I won't talk, I won't talk. But when I am moved to talk, forget your minister of state. Nobody will know what I'm going to do. Somebody will get up in the morning, we're standing there.
No,
you watch me.
what do you say?
One day, Pastor Kennedy, you, me,
Kennedy,
and a certain man of God were on the line. If you remember, not long ago, he said, you, Owusu Kobi, you remember a guy around you who was talking. You remember you told me you removed him. You remember? Did you not hear it? And I removed him. He was talking too much. And I went to my God. I said, God, this guy is too loud. Just show him where cemetery is.
And
I gave him 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Afternoon. Mortuary. If I say I won't talk, I won't talk. But when I am moved to talk, forget your minister of state. Nobody will know what I'm going to do. Somebody will get up in the morning, we're standing there.
No,
You watch me.
what do you say?
One day, Pastor Kennedy, you, me,
Kennedy,
and a certain man of God were on the line. If you remember, not long ago, he said, you, Owusu Kobi, you remember a guy around you who was talking. You remember you told me you removed him. You remember? Did you not hear?
Now that was Prophet Bedu Kobi and 18. Some of us, it's not new to us. Trust me, one of the most dangerous places you can stand now is when you stand with Prophet Owusu Bempah. They kind of crash out. But some of us have decided to put our lives also down to defend a great man of God in this end time. The attacks have come. The threatenings have come. We know it. Because omutumi bopa na ba be see so. Na onyame ayi ndi afim. Some of us enye de bia na fear e wo mu yetenem. Why? Because we want to stand with Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah, both from Asofua, Omum Pepper Person, and a political party. Be analytical with what the man was saying. But a certain man of God was talking too much, and I remove him. Then he now says, I went before my God. It doesn't make sense. How did you remove him? And how did you go before another God? Mr. Dobingo, we want to hear from you.
As a matter of fact, this is normal to lunatics like Bedu Kobi. The man is mentally deranged. Because to start with, you removed a creature of God. You told him his destiny. You know your destiny. I know that Bedu Kobi will beg for death. He won't get. He will beg God to take him away. God will say, you have not finished suffering. Bedu Kobi, who stood in front of everybody and saying now that he removed a human being. But I can tell you, I can analyze, I know his modus operandi. I know the way he operates. First of all, he will make a truce with that man of God. He will call him, let us not, argue about this thing, blah, blah, blah. And then he will invite him. He will poison him. He doesn't have any power. That's the way of Bedu Kobi. Immediately, look, you, Pastor Ben Asamoah, you are the deputy to Bedu Kobi. You know, wherever you are, I'm looking for you. Let people bring you to me so that you can come and confirm all the devilry of Bedu Kobi. If you like, be afraid of him.
Who is Pastor Ben? Who is he?
Pastor Ben is the father of Caleb. The boy Bedu Kobi is planning to sacrifice now.
Okay.
If Bedu Kobi, if you are not a madman, you take a 15-year-old boy.
But Caleb, the picture I sent you the other time. Yeah. Only
a 15-year-old boy, you processed him to be insulting heavyweight a man of God like Reverend Owusu Bempah, so that when the boy get the nemesis that will come to him, you will say, Reverend Owusu Bempah will kill them, whereas you are processing him for death. You want to kill him. We know your way. You want to kill the boy. So the father should pay attention and get me. He has my number. So that you can avert the death of your son. I know Bedu Kobi the way.
There's a boy with him right now.
Yeah, that boy. He has even. Have you ever seen a madman like Bedu Kobi before? He took the wife of his assistant pastor. To the extent that I know the pastor very well. Okay. That pastor, Ben Asamoah, is a praise and worship pastor. He cannot survive in Nigeria. Even you, Bedu Kobi, can you survive in Nigeria? Then you sent him there. Then he want to come back home to his family. You told him not to come back because you're supposed to be his boss. And then his wife too told him not to come back while you are sleeping with the wife. And then you are so wicked, a madman, that you even took have you ever seen a man take somebody's wife and take the children before?
So the child of the man's wife.
Three children.
The children are with him now.
He named them Kobi.
He has changed their name
to Kobi. It's a criminal offense. We know that. We know that you cannot do that. But that is what Bedu Kobi has done.
How does the poisoning go? Like, have you ever been a witness to somebody that
Dan? He killed Dan the same process.
Dan.
For that, look, the only one I can actually testify and confirm is Dan. The way he did Dan. That's the way he does them. Look, they always come after he open a truce with them, say they should forget all the problems, and invite them. He kills by poisoning. He doesn't have
when he
power.
has a problem with them, he tells them to forget it. Then
Yes, invite them and poison them.
Wow.
Then after poisoning them, he resumed the fight with them. That's the way he operates. He doesn't have any power or anything called power. The power, Bedu Kobi goes about looking for powers. He won't find powers that way. You see, this thing you are doing, it only affects those who are in the fraternity. Those who are in the fraternity, those who are in your church, I'm sorry for them.
Somebody has just texted that you need protection. You think it's true that because you were speaking of the fact that you had an attack and you were being stabbed at your back.
Yeah, that's what he does. He knows. Oh, let me tell you, Bedu Kobi can never attack me again with voodoo.
When he attacked you, what happened?
Ask him. His family got something. That's the year. That's the month until the son died.
So in that same month, you had your attack.
Yes.
That it was averted.
That was when he was stabbing me, I was hearing the voice. But you know, as a Christian, I'm just saying Jesus, Jesus, because it's not paining me. Then he is telling the world that his son chose to die for him. That's why I asked, is it voluntarily by the boy?
Can we play that video shortly so we address that one too?
Yes.
Then we go to another. You were speaking of blood issues and all that. Would you want to say that?
It's an occultist. Yes. I saw it. No, that day was spontaneous upstairs. You know, we're having the same office together. And then I'm the only one who can come in and barge in like that, but he was not expecting me at that time.
Okay.
I just opened the door. It dropped spontaneously. It dropped the curtain.
You entered into his office?
Yes. He was sitting down like this. I came in like this. And then he dropped the curtain, which has the blood in it. So I also looked at it. But
Mr. Domingo, somebody's going to ask, how did you get to know that it was blood in the curtain?
I made sure that I got hold of the curtain even.
Okay, you picked up the curtain.
I didn't take it anywhere. I just made sure I saw the curtain, it was blood.
Oh, okay.
Because I oversat him in the office. He had to go out and see me and leave me there. So I crossed and just look at it. It was blood. Now, chicken blood is different. I know chicken blood. Human blood, I'm very sure. Then, he has taken the same blood to somebody at East Legon here.
He went with you?
He went with me, of course.
With the blood?
He doesn't leave me until 2 a.m. 2 a.m. in the morning, every day. When I say he doesn't sleep, he cannot sleep. And I did not realize that he was doing it so that nobody will come to me. Because when I get there, my food is cold. Understand me? I have to get him to drive me around Accra here looking for food now. And even restaurants, they close. That is the story every day. He doesn't sleep. He can't sleep. He can't eat a good meal. A bloody liar. You know what he told me? Bedu Kobi told me that we went to that restaurant at Jowlu, the palace. They serve chicken. Bedu Kobi said he doesn't eat chicken. We went to another restaurant, Asame, and then that's about a few days later, Bedu Kobi said he doesn't eat fish. He will take chicken. He's a madman. He doesn't know what. No, he's just trying to put an air of spirituality about himself. These people, they are just afraid of him. He only poison you. He cannot attack you spiritually. I know him.
On your last interview, you threw a challenge that you would want to pay for an autopsy of some kind of people.
Yes, for them. And then concert man. Because after the concert man family came and talked to me and told me that this is how the father died. The man was, okay, the story was a bit dicey, as I said, because when the man entered, he invited the man all the way from Kumasi to Accra, poisoned the man. Then they did not agree because the man left him. You see the interpreter you are seeing here? He will kill him. Oh, I can bet.
The one that interprets.
Oh, he will kill him. Look, oh. Bedu Kobi is possessed. He's a madman.
Mr. Domingo, I want to show you a picture of the boy Caleb. By the church
If I
in
see
the
Caleb,
media sector. Do you know him?
I can't recognize he was small.
He was
when
small.
I stopped with Bedu Kobi, I can't recognize him.
So Caleb is the son of
Reverend Pastor Ben Asamoah.
and now he has the name Kobi on him.
It's not Kobi.
And what he does is he's being used by the media team.
As a matter of fact, this man, anytime I want to jail him, it's a sitting duck. Because this boy you see like that, even if the father of Caleb agrees to cede Caleb to Bedu Kobi for adoption, both of them have to go to court.
So the boy has not been adopted, but
No,
he now
he
bears the name.
hijacked the boy. Bedu Kobi, he has affinity for crime, you know. It's a man that crime attacks him. Right now, all the mouth is making that he has got money, he bought Rolls Royce. Look, the crime you are committing to try and get money, I'm aware. But, Asami, you will be surprised when the hammer fall on you. Now, apart from, let's leave that one. Let us go to the fact that Bedu Kobi gives blood to his clients, plus some juju. And then truly, and that one, maybe, occasionally these idiots, they get some strong juju men. Unlike that genie man, that Arab. The Arab who was doing genie for him. Genie is a dwarf, you understand me? So you can bottle them, you can put them something, so that you can call them up to do things for you. So the man told me that I should come so he can be doing the work for me. Because the day I saw the man in the church, I've been seeing him every day. We pass by ourselves. But when he saw me in the church, that's why he decided to talk to me one day. When I saw him in the church, I thought, oh, this one too is coming to the church. Until the man called me and told me that I'm going to that guy's church. He saw me there. I said, yeah, I saw you too. He said, what am I going to do there? Everything I need there, he can do for me because Bedu Kobi, he does for him.
That is what the man said.
Bedu Kobi, he has terrible, terrible appetite for occultism. What's that mean? Terrible appetite for occultism. He goes to, look, he have been going to say juju in Nigeria. What's that mean? And you know, Bedu Kobi, if we raise the people in the church who have collected their money, say you use Mr. Domingo's technology, my machines, I bought them, you don't know the reason I bought them, you say you can, you don't need to excavate the land. Have you heard that before? Where is it South Africa before, where they are kicking the sand and getting diamond? You say that you are going to use my technology to be getting gold. You collect the money from the people of the church. They are afraid. Because juju, I don't know, juju. Don't look, can't you notice, if you look at this, the picture we saw last, you see that only men are in the church. You can count about 4 or 5 women. It's not usual with churches. You understand me? Mostly women are more than the men. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Or equal balance. But that church, right? Women, they know him. People they know him at this stupid man. You know, we said that the word of God is paramount in life. And that God used this foolish thing of this world to confound the wise. So, Bedu Kobi, you motherfucker, you let me to put salt. Look, I have master's degree. I'm a lawyer. You are still fooling the people. Doctors among them.
Master's degree in law.
No, LLB in law. Okay. But master's degree in industrial relations. All
right. Okay.
So this man at the University of London, Camden Town. So this man made me to put salt and sugar.
That is the area of deception.
No, he's checking our smoothness level. It's, you know.
Yeah, that is what we call deception.
Deception. Yes. But he's trying to check how much he has us in his grip.
Okay.
So when he put salt, I surrendered myself to the wisdom of God. That, we don't know. We are seeking God. Those who escape in Kobi's church by listening to my voice and taking action, right? We are not all that were lucky. Only few of them were lucky to escape from the pang of Bedu Kobi's prescribed death. I will pour salt on my head with nice shirt, which I brought from England. I will pour sugar. Me, who can be Bedu Kobi's teacher, it will make me to be pouring this on my head, and then plus oil. Jesus Christ, oil on the head.
Mr. Domingo, you know why I'm not laughing to this. The reason is that
It was. You may not laugh. It's dangerous.
Yes, it's very dangerous.
The grip he has on the people.
Yes.
Very dangerous.
It doesn't matter your educational background.
Oh,
once they start
forget it. Once they get you in their grips. Oh, it's education. Education what? Jesus have education in school. You don't know. And
somebody was asking this. The reason why I said this is, at the point in time, the numerous public figures and celebrities they were seen in the church.
They were look, one guy is in Metro TV. I saw Reverend Owusu Bempah and Bedu Kobi on his program before.
Okay.
He has got somebody who knows the guy to go and get the history of the guy and how the guy was having problem with his wife. You know what I mean? So Bedu Kobi was telling him, if we want to talk about Bedu Kobi, we won't go anywhere. We have to take a full holiday. So he told the guy, because somebody who knows the guy closely said that he's doing law, but he has not finished. He said, "You're not a lawyer. You're not a liar."
That was the prophecy. When he was prophesying. Okay.
And then about the wife of the guy. I said, this man. Okay, all of us who came to Bedu Kobi's church, there is none who did not get separation from his wife, including myself. But me, I said, I just love my woman. It's agape love, true. Because the person who won NDC, our name is his name is NDC Big Man, right? Is the daughter that I wanted to marry. I have even already went to several things. But she said my twins will never come to my house. I said, no, that can never happen in my life. That's why I ran away from her. She's gone to the US. When Reverend Owusu Bempah got married, before this last one, my woman told me that, do you know, Bedu Kobi called me just now. He said he's Owusu Bempah's best man right now. I told my former, I said, the marriage is broken. I said, it won't work. There's nobody who came to Bedu Kobi with marriage who did not divorce.
Wow. Is there any secret?
Check it out.
By records.
Nobody. That guy who got crazy, that is a pastor.
One person got crazy there.
The one went and entered his strong room.
He entered into his room.
Strong room.
His strong room. Not
just a room, not a bedroom. Strong room where he put his juju. Now, that guy, he extricated the guy from his wife, absolutely, and family. The woman is in US now, doing well. The guy has a lucrative job. He's a fitter. He has his workshop, everything. Now he says he's a pastor. The guy cannot pastor himself. He's not even. As a matter of fact, if to say DVLA checks people they give license to, he should not be driving. This is why people go. He drives. A mental case. You understand? Now, this guy, Bedu Kobi, check it out. Yeah, a very good girl, I call a girl, woman, who became, advisor to him, legal. He even told, that this man helping me, blah, blah, blah. He called us for dinner one day, at lunch. We ate together with Yah. Yah is 13 years married now. No issue. She's not the only one. Anything Bedu Kobi touches, it gets destroyed. I'm telling you, it's not, I'm not his God. That is observation. These ones, I don't envy them. I'm just talking for their sake. To jump out of that dangerous kamikaze trip before it consumes them. We are survivors. We are seeking God. God will not blame them. Look, most of you are going to Kobi's church. Good. You say you are going to church, it's a shrine. But the day God calls you, when they call you to meet your God, and God says that, why do you worship Abraka? Why did you worship a strange God? You say, no, it's Jesus we are calling there. Jehovah, that's what we are calling there. They won't answer. I say, go to hell. Because it's idol we are worshiping. You don't know.
Mr. Domingo, I will show you a video. So what you mean is, if you are not careful in your quest of seeking God, you would rather be serving a different God.
I'm telling you, and then there is no excuse. It's like ignorance is no excuse in law.
That is why you are voicing out.
He says search. He has told us to search. But at that time, we don't know the meaning of what God is saying, that we should search. It's only now I realize that the search is not to be taken lightly. Don't just go to a place, so you go to the church, you go and sit down and dancing and clapping. Search, or else you have entered the gate of hell. Bedu Kobi's church, that's what it is. If he likes, let him call police, call everybody, let them excavate the church and see whether something is not buried there. Into the church. Money and some juju. And what he says is that anybody who comes to this church will become rich. I'm telling you, there is nobody who comes to that church who did not drop their wealth there. You take nothing out of, you are stupid people. Say that you take nothing out of Bedu Kobi's church. And you see, he told you he's a killer. He said he will kill you if you challenge him. I used to challenge him that I know your face, I know the face of my God. But he tell you, the day he tried with me, look at this man who we know, Johnny, I'm going to get hold of Johnny to come and talk because the boy, Bedu Kobi told me the boy is mentally deranged.
The Johnny boy.
Yes. And he did not know that Johnny has told me things. But you know Johnny has seen him doing the ritual.
What did Johnny tell you, Mr. Domingo?
Bedu Kobi, 3 occasions, which Johnny have seen. This one, they tie white, I think so, on their body, their fetish.
Firstly, who is Johnny? Who is Johnny?
Johnny is the guy Bedu Kobi took into the church as a bodyguard.
Okay.
No, as a guard, just. One day, this Dan was rude because of Bedu Kobi's support, rude to church members. So he was rude to one woman, and I said, Dan, what do you do that for? That's very bad of you. Dan was his cousin, the one he killed, you know. So why did you do that? And then in front of Bedu Kobi, Bedu Kobi chastised Dan. Say, what do you mean? Why do you do that? You know they did not know that Johnny was sleeping on top. That time they have not finished building the church. It's dark there. The boy was there. So the boy said that then Dan came and made Bedu Kobi on top there. Why you want to come and give me a report also of those who have sat somewhere? So he said, why did you just me in front of these people like that? He said, Misheda. These people are stupid people. You know, we have to do like that for them. Or else he can get angry now.
Wow.
Or do I know, is my language, Misheda? He said he just do like that. He treats us with gift clubs to deceive us. So for Bedu Kobi and his people, the church members are laughing stock. You understand? So please, if I can break a bit.
All right.
And then I will
come back to Mr. Domingo. Before I back up Papa on, I say her video Papa reacted to serious. Then when Mr. Domingo comes, we'll come back to him again. And as my video now.
Clap your hands and shout to shout and make a difference. Jesus.
So, if I can pray, what is that? You are bringing your car. You are sewing your car. He's sewing his Mercedes Benz. Everybody listen to me. Say, have I forced you to do that? Because sometimes I don't want to hear any other story. So when I hear things aloud, how can I pray for Lumba to live? And today I'm going to tell you something. How can I pray for Lumba to live and I can't pray for my son to live? It's not difficult. The way to make things work in the spirit is not difficult. So I know why what happened to me happened to me. Today I'm going to tell all of you, listen to me. I don't care whether it goes on Facebook, everyone listen to me. There was a plot from Ghana to kill me. And God decided to make some choices. Emmanuel Bedu Kobi and Daniel Kobi, who should live? If Emmanuel Bedu Kobi dies, the assignment I've given to him, so many people's life will be stranded. Therefore, I would rather take a son for him.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord.
So, I will see Mama in Kolebu, I'll look at her, I will pray, but I wouldn't tell her what will happen. It's only one person in Ghana, Ochinoko. I sat with him in my house in July 2017. Almost 4 months ahead of time. I said, Ochinoko, you see your eyes. Years ago, you spoke against men of God. You did a lot against men of God. God came against you. Now your eyes can see. And you're a Christian, but you not see again. Also, the man you are seated before, I will cry soonest. That's my son who is sick. He will die. But I kept it. It was not easy for me. I see the coffin. Sometimes when I'm entering bedroom, I see the coffin. I said, God, can't you do anything for me? He said, no. Either your son dies or you die. He said, the assignment I've given for Ghana must touch the ground. So we don't talk much. Oh. I have a lot to tell you, but you see, sometimes you will not be strong to carry it. Some of you also misconstrue me, so I keep it quiet to my chest. I've prayed for greater. Somebody has HIV. Somebody has hepatitis. All those things go. How much more my son? I can just pray for God to. It's easy. But I know why.
Clap your hands. Shout the make a Jesus.
So, if I can pray, what is that? You are bringing your car. You are sewing your car. He's sewing his Mercedes Benz. Everybody listen to me. Say, have I forced you to do that? Because sometimes I don't want to hear any other story. So when I hear things I laugh. How can I pray for Lumba to live? And today I'm going to tell you something. How can I pray for Lumba to live and I can't pray for my son to live? It's not difficult. The way to make things work in the spirit is not difficult. So I know why what happened to me happened to me. Today I'm going to tell all of you, listen to me. I don't care what I.
Okay, I'm saying you're tear free. Ochinoko, our the Bangesa argument we say. Suffer man Bedu Kobi and Kasa say we are channel. Ochinoko video no, I will YouTube says here. And some prophet the man of Bedu Kobi can't was our video we no. Honestly, Nick is what Kasa answer no. Ahano, seriously. Me, that is my own personal view. But that's why I'm a judge. But Emra Mr. Domingo Kasem no Okasim be say. A dapa power no. Prophet man Bedu Kobi no be Kasa no ben. No man panity as say on na papa best man. And no Mr. Domingo ne catch and say who and our best man padia our really big good. Papa. Papa na Domingo Kasa now percent over.
He phoned my woman and told him that he was the best man. He phoned. Bedu Kobi phoned me and told her, that time I finished with him, and told her that, can you imagine? My woman, I talked with her or something, but I'm the one who said I'm a Jawari. But he called her and told her that he was the best man for Reverend Owusu Bempah's marriage. And I told Chrissy, I said, oh, the marriage is done for. It won't work. Bedu Kobi to bless the marriage is cursed. And check it tomorrow. They are lying to themselves. By now, you don't know Bedu Kobi. I don't speak plenty of, I don't speak Chi.
Yes.
The time I was angry with because she constituted a bit to some money Bedu Kobi stole from me or something. And he was dashing her money. You know what I mean? So I told her that I stopped the marriage. And I'm talking with her. But she called me and said that Bedu Kobi is the best man for Reverend Owusu Bempah's marriage. I said the marriage will fail. It won't work. And check in the church there, as they are there, there are cracks in all the marriages already. Some directly is causing some with the evil spirit that is working with. I'm telling you. As I told you about a very good girl. She's a lawyer. We came, I met Reverend Pastor Ben Asamoah at the wedding. And do you know, that time I have been understanding Bedu Kobi very well. But I did not see that he would swallow the girl's stomach too. Bedu Kobi is a witch. He's a wizard. I mean, what he belongs to, is an agent. Those things he's doing, it's an agent. You see what I was talking about? His son. He can easily. I told one woman, the woman who is sent to call me, I told the woman that, look, go and find who will heal your husband. The man, you know, is a bank, is a bank manager of GBC. He heads the whole GBC college, school. And then if I go to the man, he put drinks, and he will be smoking. Before he say one sentence to you, he will cough for about 2-3 minutes. It was bad case. Bedu Kobi deceived them. He deceived them until the man died. The woman is one of them. He has kid there. Now Benayinsu, he was working for me. That Benayinsu, when he heard that Bedu Kobi stole my money, he was looking for me. So he came. he was fraternizing with Bedu Kobi behind my back. He stole about $200,000 from me, plus another 6,000 euro. I want to slap him. He had died. But so they married with my money, him and his wife, who is a policewoman. But then they killed themselves. Marriage, stolen money, marriage. He said the wife poisoned him. He said
$600,000.
no, $200,000.
$200,000.
Yes. Plus 6,000 euro. That's what annoyed me so much. I want to slap him at Tema because he has told that time his wife has gone to United Nations. This guy I'm talking about who died is a very wicked boy. He's 49 years old. You know, he was in Bedu Kobi's church. Bedu Kobi told me that this guy, if you greet me there and we talk for a minute, he told me, oh, that guy is. He thinks he's wise. He thinks he's trickish. You understand me? He deceived them till the graduate wife of that guy died in Bedu Kobi's church. How do you say, you know, for football, you know, I like the way he plays football. I try to get some contract for him outside. Bedu Kobi told me that Audu, he thinks that he's smart. Be careful with Audu. He thinks that he's smart. There's nobody who tried to come near me that Bedu Kobi is not slander. He's a slanderer. Lies, slandering. Oh, the guy is a devil incarnate. So I am so confident about the end of most of these people who are going to his church if they don't run away. I know their end. Only we can just be calculating and you will see what will happen to them.
Okay.
Some will die, marriage destroyed, business collapsed totally. The guy said he gave to one man whose his wife is a custom officer. That man, nice guy. He told the guy not to ride his car again. So he gave it to one pastor who came from Nigeria, Dr. Muiwa. That Pastor Muiwa, he sent a message to somebody to give to me that he said you end badly. That's what he had been seeing. And the thing is worrying him that you end badly. But you could be changed. But that's what your spiritual father wants for you. He wants you to change. Because once you die, all this time you are making mouth, you are doing, this man is a fucking liar. You can easily, you heal somebody before in that church. Did you heal anybody before?
All right, Mr. Mingo, we'll come back to you. But would you want to pour out everything today? So we'll come back to you.
We can go on for years.
Just
all the petty criminal acts of Bedu Kobi.
Calm down. We understand certain things. Papa, my Emma was going to say, Mr. Domingo, the boyfu. Papa, now, quick comments. Now, maybe the next program, no check. Then we'll schedule another time for other steps.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Domingo, or Kasa out of pain. Now, so what you need some more can he keeps on repeating some words.
But you need him say, and an obi as to say, Honorable Kennedy Japan, and run or explosive Bedu Kobi or Boni Dino. Not just say, or no, so was signed information.
I believe.
Okay.
I believe. Now, Osha, Mr. Domingo, not seminar or repeating, say, more Bedu Kobi sorrow, no more careful. Means Osha Papana. Say, Uncrofomu di Bedu Kobi echino, o suma omo. Aso wo, ehumobro bi anase, owo yawdie bi. San Uncrofo no, baby omu de omu ewura no. A problem. Nea oni Bedu Kobi nante o fe mu. Nea obe Bedu Kobi pa wo hunu ye. Me die ntia ma papa yi nsem me taking it serious no. Nsem bi ohonoma e ba manim.
Okay.
Ema enana me chese Bedu Kobi woni ne kasa onfa otunufo a ontie. Na me nkase Bedu Kobi spiritually or fight tia me Owusu Bempah because me nyim tru say Bedu Kobi was spirit bi a sebi ebetimi affect me Owusu Bempah. Because debia me de meka se nyame sumsum tiumu a na erade no nama den pa se obronsam sumsum bi betimi affect you. Na marriage ana aware issue me ana me pese me shift blame e de amobi hardly se me ka se asma sibintin na maware eguye me pesa ansem ne ka Aruntina Osha programming one day be me said that can the reason why my marriage a break here. Now dear Mr. Domingo cannot imagine see a so. Any spiritual thing. And yes, said the Bedu Kobi was spirit be and maybe or the fight it here Owusu Bempah marriage there be. Now me go into details, but me kasa say opening. Na mo bi nyene se ensema making ebia me say Bedu Kobi eye fact na make no Bedu Kobi fa me se papa o si na jane me. Can you believe say me wife at the hotel man na your marriage in break here and yet ho say and my wife nya call I am ex-wife o pikin phone no na o kasa na unso bi ebenwa na yeti me call her unsa konya ne bom good na phone no e wo louder nipa ne kasa ote ana me so at times onya kwala na obi nya kwala na me pese me de ma dwene be call because me no me feel say hu hia say obe fifi obi so obi anya call na obe fi ha but na the phone no e wo loud entin sem no na mete but na maintain ye. But I mean, say all of a sudden, my ex-wife na ye ding, nani masisa. And I say nani atete. And I me busa na say, mami, I dey idea asem. Obiana no kra na so yesu. And I'm say, why no one na kasa no? On person obeka ni pakro. And I say, me pacho, me pese mu ni pakro na kasa. And I say, so Bedu Kobi. Nipa wo Bedu Kobi so papa ni mi o. And I'm so on for phone and two speaker. Now they asem. And or the two speaker. Also for that day I was shocked. Bedu Kobi die di matempa nipa also papa ni mi o. I mean no ni asem. I can't believe this.
Our phone so.
Now what here? What here? The way Bedu Kobi di matempa china my ex-wife. Me nya Bedu Kobi born you. Also papa ni mo spiritual father ni mi o. Also for me hu dwiri me. And some Bedu Kobi bro so kire maame no. Asema manti wo mu an se. So for Owusu Bempah o yokunu no de aduro e na e asori. Eno pe na manti. That day no senka me de aduro na e asori e na me kire Bedu Kobi sa de na anko ka kyerɛ maame no ɔsɔfo ensɛm a Bedu Kobi boro so kyerɛ maame no na me wo bɛka me ho asɛm kora ka deɛ ma yɛ wotimi so wahyɛ da kre so onim sɛm yitie wahyɛ da kreti asɛm no ɔka ensɛm ne bi wɔn ma ɔka kora menim baabi efire sɔfo ɛhɔ me hu dwirim nam sɛ hɛ wo deɛ wonim kaka deɛ ma yɛ wonim nante yɛ no ho wahu mo kwambɔne bi so a na sɛ wo kasa kyerɛ na wo ka kyerɛ me ex wife a wo deɛ wo sɛ mi mpa wo deɛ ka deɛ ma yɛ ɔsɔfo asɛm a mekan menim sɛ ɛyɛ life me ex wife ɔbɛte ɔno ate a ɔbɛka asɛm a mekan mesumi nya abotrɛ ma Bedu Kobi di matema kan bi di fa me maame ho kan bi di fa te sɛ me mma no ho te sɛ Bedu Kobi da de ne deɛ menim deɛ na aba ne tirim sɔfo Bedu Kobi di matem maame a metenka sɛ ye di matem te sɛ ana me nim bɔne a me di ye nipa o Bedu Kobi me nya wo bɔne ɔse ne papa ni mi o a me ni ni asɛm o a oba me fia so okotokoto edu temi kro ba na me ka so ntanse kro so dabi papa me transe Bedu Kobi transform no ne makasa me ad kwa me force na se on transmusa me mpane ma saa me ye obone ben me nyina ba bi nkan ho asem bone me no nkontokwa me wo nsoma me kan nyina ye nsem papa nko a na die nti na wudi matem kira me yire twantro de to me so kira me yire abra nya no kure abra me nkan ho asem bone nkira wo yire wo de se obeka ma asem kra wo de ka de amaye ɔsɔfo odi matema atam di nso akyɛ misumi na abotre afeduru abi na me se sɔfo Bedu Kobi ti me pa na wodi matam kyerɛ me yere saa no bɔne bɛ nam de ayɛ o si Jesus wa pɛ no katifo me friend Bedu Kobi amfa fu wow unim sɛ Mr. Domingo
Mr. Domingo come there. Mr. Domingo, just chill, relax.
Not just Bedu Kobi, not Mr. Domingo didn't come up. Yeah, unim. Asem way, Kenya Mr. Domingo, me ma obie hu say, and some Mr. Domingo can no crack. Me Bedu Kobi ntimi mfa spiritual say me nguma ware. Do betimi di affect me marriage and ne o ye no. Can you believe sad ye no ye no affect me maame no. Maame no me ex-wife timi catch him say, hey, into obia. Oba no pa no ye o saa no. After me ex-wife catch him say, in fact, Papa, due kafra. Edano no catch me said that it's not the first time. Wow. I no say, what is the reason why tia bi on ma be free ko beba na me shed them ma me so no. O mo frɛ me a. And some mo catch me fa ho no. Na ma ye confused. O say,
enye so Bedu Kobi.
Bedu Kobi ene ne nkrofo.
Okay.
Ti so obi ofra me a wodi matemi ma me timi nya call no nim baby kura call ni free nipa no etimi kamensama no wi a no aka kire ne se me de me Bedu Kobi eba sofwo na me ka se mu chiro. Oh, I don't want to go there na apia mu nyina etimi frɛ ma me no
I can confirm
me na me ka chiro osofo na apia timi frɛ me ex wife
Biblical
timi frɛ me ex wife timi kama samsa etunim Eda apia beka say wonim sɛ sɔfo Owusu Bempah nyame nipa no minim sɛ apia na anim deɛ ɔka wonim sɛ we nyina manyɛ apia bibia wonim sɛ deɛ Bedu Kobi ye nyina akyi me yɛ manyɛ sɛ me mfie no wonim sɛ manyɛ bibia against Bedu Kobi sɔfo mama won sɛ sɔfo ma me nka sɛ mu nkyiro bia da me ex-wife no ena so hwɛ saa de wei ɛwɔ YouTube na Facebook a obɛka sɛ hey ampa de papa yi kan yɛ no korɛ ɛno nti no ɛma wotim sɛ ma me yɛ confused wo sɛ du tem bi ɔsɔfo wo ten nsɛm saa na ama why worried enti nkanya asɛm a me kan yɛ a me kyerɛ de enti ama me ne marriage no ebreki yɛ kora mpo a kansima Bedu Kobi mu kan gu
Hello, I'm busy.
Kenya me nwanwa say kama me no kro nya
busy.
Ewa aware yi no because of nsema yesi bo mo chiche free so be catch us so den chema wu a ye nyi na tinyi ohun sa de no enti ebe ese ene ese de Bedu Kobi kan enti eye no kre na wonim God being so good Bedu Kobi kika sansam na so a na ma me ne ye hwehwemu aso a na nkrofo mu nim me eso ka me ho nsem papa kire maame no maame na so nsem no me ware papa yi mi ho no san kwan no so nti no I confused entu nim se duru time botimi ka se papa se de Bedu Kobi mu ne nkrofo bi ka ho nsem no mi hu susu me no latifie ya dada ba ko mi hu sa susu enti na maame na I confused me ka no kratro o se mi hu sa edu time botimi ka dem se nkrofo ka ho nsem abonten tam kura na minya nware wo nsem am tete wo abonten na me ware wo no me hu se nya sa kura na wote me ba me hu se wo ye different person altogether na adden kana Bedu Kobi yesa enti se nya issue yi kura ba ya me marriage ni break yi ya me say Bedu Kobi nsem a obro so no now I don't want to go there can I start it from my first wife e dia ba am obi ehunu Bedu Kobi na nkrofo ati de papa yi kan ase enya spiritual Bedu Kobi betimi aka ma won hwe ebe ye se na onne me kura na nam ena na me ye saa de eso me Bedu Kobi etie saa asem wo yi wo ye me witness sem me onne me nante ye wan hu me no oba asem da Bedu Kobi ntimi ma bonte me ka se me papa kura me ne nam enam ne kosra ne girlfriend ana so de me ko oba bi ho ena say never na Bedu Kobi fare mi o na me respect no efere no on sa de no ena Bedu Kobi no ankanye niema bi o ya na nkrofo be ka kire me a me Kobi be ka Bedu Kobi asem kire na me proof one proof I will never believe it me ka no kratro me nkrofo bi be ka Bedu Kobi asem kire me na me nyinni na ade ma me ba out no enye se bi a sebe Bedu Kobi suban bi ni niema bi but ade a ode no ho ko hye mu eye enuro sem eno na hu se no boy yi baby obawura ne de wawura too far wako too far
papa ene so
withdraw
onu no ha de be che yes o fa na se obawo but o de be che ne se o hwe ade asem pa na de ka che no
senye enkrofo Bedu Kobi am o mu di matem anaju tu kura na ne apre mi di matem anka me de yeyi I will never do it
okay
wonim se de mi ye kura enkrofo bi ba dwene se na papa e kura de ntino ye sa papa pani so enti na de Bedu Kobi atran no ma na da bia na Bedu Kobi but hwe sanka na ye me na jutu obi abo obi pass on from new atem odi atem ya no de Bedu Kobi twampoa na de hye me kra ne se akwa ne di matem an se odi ama sa Calvin Taylor no se eye me Bedu Kobi kra se me na me kire no se de sikum eba na me na ma okum ne ba no
wow
nti eno na Calvin Taylor eba be kan se me na me ma Bedu Kobi kum ne ba mi Owusu Bempah ba hon ba bi o mo de ade ne kofa enti se ma out am ka sa ohun me to san de me hu an sense ma start apie e o social media te said your case wo de asem no kura ma Calvin Taylor e true because me wo hanom na call free US se Bedu Kobi de masem bi akoma Canada amomo de aba US ankofo bi e be ye ho adwuma e de aba be gu Facebook minimum hwe enu ntina sa baba njida se baba ntunde o se baba ntunde na nsan e no de me marital issue e be two people e di matem e gro me ho e so ni Bedu Kobi na nam na woni masem odi ko di nkomo o se Bedu Kobi na kan so onye sa
papa yen clarify or publish here Nigerian magazine
Nigeria nyina be ko no Owusu Bempah picture
yes
e bo front page ni e kan Owusu Bempah war yasem Bedu Kobi e na ama obi waguma nim aso Ghana han ma de aduru Nigeria bone be no Bedu Kobi se me de aye no enti se bibi se na me ka so obi on tia se na sofo e na wo ye pani e na nsoso ne ma bi so papa enti me trans ma Bedu Kobi nya me sa de we ya na me te wo se me ye pani nti chabio na me won ne Bedu Kobi se san krofo na wo mu di matem no ani de niama a o ye no wodim je ntia Bedu Kobi yesa na dwiri nyina ne se honorable Kennedy Japan de o ye no me na me hwehwa ase because de adi nkoma ma ono an krofo dia record no e de send me o ba no be dem ya me play je se nipa no de send ni mom na no be kire no ba me fa so onim say me fa betima boni pana kura ni I don't mind oh enu nti no say me ye bibi say a omo pese me nya de me ye no omo kasa say Bedu Kobi no so nya de o ye anti say wonim memma Ghana fo nyina hunu say de Bedu Kobi tie na say Bedu Kobi so feel say me so onim bibi fam ho mra out no so me ye ne de na ye mienu ye hwe de o kan kura ni de o twa ntro oh sir because papa say ma nya de me ye ya enkofro say eye me na me de Bedu Kobi wura asa de no eno kura na me tia na I can bear it, including his wife and his wife's family. Etima ba bontini de mi yi. Unim se me nya call every Kumasi last week. Call a me nya no te. Nipa kro frem o yesofo. O say hey Papa Bempah. In fact, Bedu Kobi ade ya okeken ama asofo ye hia nyina hunu se de na Bedu Kobi ye no kra na okasa kire no na otunufo na akasa kire no ontie because na ye nte wase se de Bedu Kobi ya ye no binim nyina no still okọ Bedu Kobi nchen na Bedu Kobi fro se papa na Bedu Kobi afa spiritual father enti na woni ani se de ehunu na de enti mo ehunu se Bedu Kobi sa na no ote to se ye nyina na ye nte wase till there obeka se Bedu Kobi de ho awura ne mabim ti Bedu Kobi nya oba biem na fe ansa na ye hu se papa ise no onim enti wo ye wo program na sin a wo kyerem a kyerɛ se na otunufo na wotra sanka betwene firi saa de enum wotre nya no ho abotre no na wantie wasem na me ehu se na okra de na woye no na okra wundim a wahunu na otunufo ano no moma antie enti na say wa reject Bedu Kobi no on de ekoso ti se me nam ho nyina no na hyenkrofo pitiri mu se de Bedu Kobi ye no me kra na me kyerɛ na saa de eso me nim ho hwe enti papa de Mr Domingo ka se Bedu Kobi ka so na ye me best man ne san ne mama no also catch her wife say any marriage we enche I believe say papa wonim de work ebia ono no oka say Bedu Kobi catch nso onya na yire no enti o feel say bia Bedu Kobi menya influence e o me so ba me Bedu Kobi ntimi nka nche me say menya me yire because sabe or respect me slow me sa you betima ya na say ne me yire no o be frɛ no asɛm ya ma no na o frɛ me agya ba me nchen eka masem papa wo wasore dem di mi gina opopiti mu kasa me papa no Owusu Bempah na wa beka me papa ho asem me no ntem nya fine da ka woni pam na o sen twa me ho fra me yire na o di matem fra me yire creating sem e de to me so e kire me yire ti mi fra obi e wo Kumasi so omra radio station no omra me di matem no mbe create asem nipa ne se so for Owusu Bempah mi ti ma me di natem because mi nim boni a wa ya me ba be di natem oso ba yan ka se be create asem ma no aka de ato no so oh so nti no ma me fancy wa
Mr. Domingo